Welcome to Form Fully channel. This is PLSQL MCQ series part 2. Let's check out the first question. Question 1. If you execute dbms output.put line and you cannot see the output, which one can be the reason? A. PLSQL does not output any text. B. You may forgot to execute set server output on command. C. You may forgot to execute enable output command. D. You may have written number inside put line procedure instead of text, and the correct option is B, because at least one time for a particular session you need to execute set server output on command. Question 2. Why we use variables? A. To save the data into the database permanently. B. To save the data into memory temporarily and modify if you need. C. To point some data into the database, and the correct option is B. Variables are stored temporarily into the memory because as a result you can modify the data there and then store it into the database using DML operation. Question 3. Which of these is not a type of variables? A. Scalar variables. B. Reference variables. C. Large objects. D. Composite data types. E. Binary data types, and the correct option is E. Binary data types. Question 4. Which one is a wrong declaration of a variable type? A. Char 30. B. Varchar 2 35. C. Number. D. Number 30. E. Binary underscore float. F. Boolean. D. Date inside parenthesis date given. H. Timestamp with time zone. I. Interval day 2 seconds, and the correct option is G, because we cannot specify date value inside parenthesis. Question 5. Which of this is wrong for the variable naming rule? A. It must start with a letter. B. Can be maximum 100 characters length. C. Cannot have the same name of select. D. Can contain special characters like hash, dollar, etc. And the correct option is B, because the maximum length of the variable name can be 30 characters. Question 6. What is the wrong usage for below code? Pause the video and check out the code. Options are A. We need to write colon equals to sign before assigning the temp text. B. We need to assign at least a value to be able to use in DBMS output. C. We need to write temp text inside of single quotes. Double quotes cause the error. D. Not null and default keywords cannot be used together. And the correct option is C. We need to write temp text inside of single quotes. Double quotes cause the error. Since vtemp is a text, we need to write the default value inside of single quotes. Question 7. The following steps are taken to create a PLSQL anonymous block and display the output. Which of the following is the correct sequence of these steps? Pause the video and read the steps. The correct sequence of steps are 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. 2. Insert the PLSQL code in the Enter SQL statement box. 5. Click on DBMS output tab. 1. Set the server output on by clicking the Enable DBMS output icon. 4th. Click the Execute statement icon. 3rd. Display the output by clicking the DBMS output tab. Question 8. What are the different ways in which PLSQL can run? Each correct answer represents a complete solution. Choose all that apply. A. Interpreted execution. B. Native execution. C. Default execution. D. Integrated execution. And the correct option is A and B. Interpreted execution and native execution. Question 9. In which of the following sections of a PLSQL blocks can a variable be defined? A. Error handling section. B. Exception section. C. Execution section. D. Declaration section. And the correct option is D. Declaration section. If any variable are going to be utilized in a PLSQL block, the declaration section must be present. Cursor, type, local, procedures, and functions that are utilized in a block are also defined in the declaration section. Question 10. Which of the following methods will remove one element from the end of a collection? A. Delete 1, 5. B. Delete 1. C. Trim. D. Delete. E. Trim 5. And the correct option is C. Trim. The PLSQL trim function is used to remove all specified characters either from the beginning or from the end of a string. Question 11. Create table is a dash statement. A. DML. B. DDL. C. DCL. D. TCL. And the correct option is B. DDL. DDL commands used to create, modify and delete database structures and its object, but not the data. Question 12. Insert is a dash statement. A. DML. B. DDL. C. DCL. D. TCL. And the correct option is A. DML. Data manipulation language has insert, update, delete, select commands. Thanks for watching. If you find this content valuable, do like, share and subscribe.